For this problem, to find the limit of a function involving absolute values, you have to analyze the absolute value of the function first. So that is, I consider the function x plus 6 over absolute value of x plus 6. So because of absolute value, you can have positive part and the negative part. So that is when x plus 6 is positive, then you can have x plus 6 over x plus 6, which indicates this is equal to 1. In the case of x plus 6 less than 0, you can have that the function is x plus 6 over negative of x plus 6, and this gives you negative 1. For this particular function, we don't consider x plus 6 equal to 0 because we don't want 0 in the denominator. So for the functions with absolute value, this is what you have. Now you can find the limit of the function as x goes to negative 6. But when you find the limit, you have to consider the limit from the left and the limit from the right. And to see if the limit exists, you need to have the limit from the left equal to the limit from the right and equal to the same values. So that is limit of x plus 6 over absolute value of x plus 6 as x goes to negative 6 from the right. This is equal to the limit as x goes to negative 6 from the right. X goes to negative 6 from the right. That means you need the positive part or the right-hand side of negative 6. So that is x plus 6 greater than 0. So you need to consider the functions when it's equal to 1. So the limit of 1 as x goes to negative 6 from the right just equal to 1. You do the same thing and consider the limit of the functions as x goes to negative 6 from the left. So that is the limit of the function as x goes to negative 6 from the left is equal to negative 1. That indicates that the limit from the right is different from the limit from the left. So therefore, you make the conclusion that the limit of the functions as x goes to negative 6 does not exist. Usually when you have the absolute value of the functions or the function involve absolute value, the limit always turn out to be does not exist, but it's not always happen. Usually it happens, but not always.